Gonna be working on my onions today. And I got an amazing treat. It smells unbelievable. My own guava, guys. It's a pink guava. We usually have white guava, but this is our pink guava tree, so it's very exciting. Passion fruit still didn't make fruit, but back to our onions. I gotta do some weeding. This onion bed I did a few weeks ago, it's good, it just doesn't have enough water and there's too much weeds. We've nearly ran out of water in our buckets, our rainwater harvest, which is fine because we only expect it to last us exactly 1 month less of the rain. Yeah, our buckets are out of water, which is fine because we only wanted them to last us. We knew they would only last us till 1 month less of the rain, which it should rain in a month, inshallah, if Allah wills. But that makes our farm workers really lazy because they don't see any reason to do anything if there's no water, which makes sense. But there are some crops that can just stay. I think so. So I don't remember what I was saying. I'm gonna go get some manure and finish this job. Oh yeah, basically we ran out of water. Our farm workers don't want to work. Nothing new. I remember what I wanted to say. Basically, it's hard to get our farm workers motivated to work when they know that there's no water. But some crops like onions and papayas, they can stay very long without water. So they just need some TLC sometimes, you know, like this. These kind of broken stems gotta go because they're useless at this point. They're just taking nutrition. After the manure, we put a layer of our compost on it, so this should look good. Should look good in a week or so.
Yeah. She needs a little care.
Yeah.
You give it care, it will grow. So eat what good. Eat what good.
I tried to sneak up on my goat. She was sleeping. Sorry I bothered you. Whoa. I'll leave you alone. She's stretching her legs. Time. Check these out. Check these out. MashaAllah. Literally the day that the Bada was giving birth, they were so small.
They grow now.
Oh my.
It's okay. Right here.
Wow. Oh, look at this spider web too. Babies. MashaAllah. There's so much life happening in here. This is the same tree that the bird's nest was in. Yeah, it fell apart.
Right here. By now they fly. They fly away. There's the nest. Very nice nest.
MashaAllah, the day that they, you know, baraka kuchuta, because the dado ate everything under here. So then that left the rest to have energy to grow up here. These things are huge. I'm so impressed because I'm used to seeing
Yeah.
Kasa gurigeena daarada ku baxo.
Because there's no nafaqa on that one. Okay. This one.
Okay, that's a nice drink today. MashaAllah. Taste testing time. Bismillah. This is so yummy. Yeah. You moved it over?
Yeah.
Nice. So we got organic matter, and what else do you need?
Digo
and dambas. Right.
Wedi soo waxaan hadhow ciid isku wada noqon.
Oh, mid weyn weeyaan. What do you think about sweet potatoes and bushes?
كوسو معايا كوسو يوم
Aku kusa weyn macaan yahay.
ها معايا
Markuu yar maxaan.
This is massive. It's like the size of a pumpkin.
يجيب كمارتي كوي
Gufigii oo kale.
وكنوه
Subhanallah, wuxuu aaday baa.
وهذا وها
Kani jaajuur kula egyaaba. Wow. This is crazy. This is so big. Barakallah. Big. What are we gonna do with this? They want to know Mom's cooking show. We'll see how it goes. Oh, it did break, so it was going much further. We're digging out the biggest and baddest. Literally as big as my arm, guys. Need to check on the bees too. Wow, beautiful new masjid. So beautiful.
سمع الله لمن حمده
So, Farmer Sam in the fanciest restaurant right now. I don't know how he got here. It was a great day, and it's about to get better because I think the food is going to be delicious. How did we get from the meet to the wedding hall, Hoya?
We get invited.
Yeah, mashallah. We don't care. We go in all of our regular day shalmats, no problem. I do wish I had better shoes.
Sorry, I get my farm sheet and two fancy place.
I know. I only wish I had better shoes on. Everything else, I don't mind. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at some going, right? Yes. No, I can keep it on the veranda. We're just landscaping our home via this beautiful place. MashaAllah. I already have all these plants. I just don't have the pots. So I really want to make some nice pots. Like that one for the snake plant. This is the one I want to make. Coming soon. Absolutely delicious. Super fancy. The food was a lot. It's actually a really big portion, mashallah. On to the next set of errands. Oh, sorry, he's out of this, mashallah. Got our meat for later. On to the next set of errands. Let's go. There's so many cars. I am on the most random adventure right now, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Been driving like 40 minutes in a direction unknown, but I found the most beautiful trees. Gotta show you. The thing is, what I wanted to share is this cute little house over here. I'm with someone, Anadero, who spent most of his life in Canada, and he actually can trace back the exact home in the middle of me, Badia, whatever you want to call it, where you can trace your exact place that you were born. That is so rare. So rare, especially considering where he's been and how he's come back to it, you know? I don't know if that's making sense, but there's so many big, beautiful trees here, and I'm loving it. Yeah, I just think it's so cool that he can trace his exact roots. He's nearly 70, he did tell me his age. I won't expose him, I'll keep it quiet. But so cool, mashallah. Now, let me let this tree do the rest of the talking. Trees can tell a bigger story. It's really amazing because I think there's so many families who can probably relate sitting back and like diaspora families who can relate, who their families have these huge plots of land, farms. This is farmland. I have one tiny plot, but yeah, then they want to rejuvenate it and you just don't even know where to start. That's kind of what we're working on today. That's kind of what my project is today, is just helping someone rejuvenate a land that has been long overused for not much, you know. So yeah, the agaf is coming. They actually have water, which is so cool, and it's rainwater that lasts the entire year. That's what I'm talking about. Those type of sustainable situations last really long. Anyway, enough blah blah. I gotta say, this is literally my dream home, okay? I don't ask for much. I'm not a complicated, luxurious girl, but a little house in the middle of nowhere, that's my style. If you don't know, now you know.